Since you clicked on this video, you are definitely looking for a job. And in this particular video, we'll build an agent that will get you one. Job search is exhausting. I know you have already spent a lot of time on Naukri connecting those MCP servers to find the right job openings, but none is actually working. And you're just getting those unfortunately or rejection emails, or sometimes not even getting one. When I was in college, my seniors used to recommend me from the morning 9 to 12, reach out to these recruiters or hiring managers or apply to job openings, because if you apply during that time, it will land into the inbox of the recruiters on top. Why not build an agent which will do this same thing for us? But waking up early and finding these job opportunities across the internet is not that easy. So why not just build an agent which can find these job opportunities for you every morning when you text it on Telegram? Yes, that's what we'll be building today, a personal job agent that will run on Telegram 24/7, completely private, and it will be ready in just 10 minutes. No server setup, no deployment, nothing. You don't have to be technical or anything like that. Even if you're a non-technical person or anyone in the world, you can just deploy it with one click. We'll be using OpenClaw hosted on Hostinger, one-click deployment, everything private and everything secured, and live web search which will help you get your first opportunity. Now, many of you have already know about OpenClaw because it went so viral on the internet. Even the creator got hired by OpenAI. But if you don't know what is OpenClaw, it's a personal AI agent which runs 24/7 on your laptop even when it is closed. Yes, you heard it right, and you can interact with it with any social platform like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, or many more. You can use it to automate tasks, create workflows, run browser automations, or even manage conversations across these platforms. It's a personal team member that never sleeps and never get tired. So let's go ahead on our computer screen and build one agent for you today. So first of all, you have to go to the link that I've mentioned in the description below. Using that link, you will be directed directly to the OpenClaw integration page where you will find different plans available for OpenClaw integration on Hostinger. There is one plan which is the managed plan. The other plan is with OpenClaw on VPS. Now I'll explain you the difference between the two. See, the thing is, with managed OpenClaw, you don't have to do anything. You just don't have to put any effort. Everything will be completely managed for running the AI agents with zero setup, infrastructure management, and configuration. But when it comes to OpenClaw on VPS, it will be a self-managed VPS for users requiring root access. You will get the root access also. You will get full control and the allocation of resources also. You can check about the more different features among these plans. One is one-click install is available with managed OpenClaw because everything is pre-configured. There'll be no technical setup. So if you are someone who is a non-technical, then definitely this is the plan you should go for. But if you are someone who want to have root control of everything, the VPS option is the best for you. The access control is also mentioned here. You have the full root access. But when it comes to managed OpenClaw, you just have the OpenClaw CLI access, Docker manager, and all those stuff. Also, you have managed security patching in managed OpenClaw. You don't have the access to that in managed OpenClaw. So once you select the particular plan, you go and check out which particular, like how much duration you want the plan for, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months. So once you select a particular plan, you use 24 months, that's the best value plan. Use my coupon code Kushal, and once you'll apply it, you will get a 10% off directly. Once you will complete the payment, you will be directly redirected to the OpenClaw setup. So once that is done, now you will be redirected to setting up the OpenClaw. Since I selected the manage OpenClaw, everything will be just clicks, no configuration, nothing. Like there is no setup hurdle here. Select the AI model, select the nextsource.ai provider, and you are done. You can change the model later on also, so not a problem there. Go to next, and then you'll be the setting up of OpenClaw will happen. It will take some time, to we'll wait till it completes. Then you have to select the messaging app. Either it could be Telegram, either it could be WhatsApp. I tried with Telegram bot. Then you have to do these settings. Go to Telegram, search for bot father account. I'll show you everything. Go to Telegram, search for bot father, and send a message of /new bot. You'll get all the instruction also here once you'll start the conversation. You give the first command /new bot, and it will ask you for a username that you want to give to the bot, or the name of this particular bot. Then you provide that information and your bot is all set. Okay, so I have given a name to it. So the name was already taken, so I renamed it to Jobs Scout Daily Bot. It would be a better name. Now the job is set up. You just have to copy this particular token, paste it on your OpenClaw setup at Hostinger Edge panel, and yeah, once you'll paste this, click next, and now it will ask you to start interacting with that bot. Basically pair with that bot. There'll be a pairing key that you have to provide. So now you have to get that pairing key. You search for your bot name on Telegram, and then once you'll say a hi to it, it will provide you. So you go to Telegram, search for your bot name, and then reach out, like start the conversation with a hi, and it will give you a pairing key. Paste that pairing key at each panel and you are all set. Imagine with a managed OpenClaw integration on Hostinger, it is so easy. Things are pretty much like only clicks. You don't have to do much of a stuff, and that's all. Now you're connected. You can just open OpenClaw in the Edge panel and you have this kind of interface available to you. You can select different models from the top, like, and the intelligence also, high, medium, or whatsoever. So we have sent a hi and we have got a response. So now we will just write a prompt that find me job openings for engineering role relevant to software engineering, Python based, and so on and so forth. More better your prompt will be, you will get better responses. Once you can send the message directly in Telegram bot, and you can see the processing happening in the OpenClaw control panel also. So I've limited the number of responses to 5. Now if I'll go back to my OpenClaw control window, you'll see, so I have hidden the tool control and the thinking everything, tool calls and the thinking. If I'll make them visible, you'll see that tool calls are happening. Like it has provided me the pages which has provided the job search, because as my initial message was not that strong enough, it will provide me the queries that it has searched across the platform, which will give me the list of job openings around my experience. So I got the complete list of job openings related to what I was looking for. But if you want very specific job openings like the direct links, you have to prompt it in a better manner. So now I'll give a very detailed prompt with where you need to search for, what company do you need to search for, what kind of queries you need to use, and limit the number of responses to just 5 relevant job openings, and that's all. So now it will iteratively search for these job openings, and by the end of it, you'll find the right job openings, direct link to apply for those jobs. So as you see, it has provided me all the job openings which are relevant to me in this area which I have searched for. Although I have asked for a table format, so it has given me like that. In Telegram, you don't get the right like markdown being projected properly, so I'll just ask it to provide the URLs directly instead of the tables. I have asked it to not to put these URLs in a markdown table, but just to provide the direct URLs, and it has given me all the direct URLs through which I can apply directly. Now similarly, you can use the Telegram bot, query it every morning, go to a particular job and apply it directly instead of roaming around on the internet. And these are very relevant jobs because these are from the region I can apply to. For example, this OpenAI job in Bangalore, the solution engineering job at Databricks is also where I am eligible. So this is how you consume OpenClaw or integration on Hostinger. And in the OpenClaw control terminal, you will see that it has provided the complete table also, because it can render the markdown schema. See, it was that simple. Now you might be having some of the questions which let me clear before you go ahead and start building your agent. How are these AI credits work, or do you have to create any external accounts? No, everything is pre-integrated on your Hostinger account and you don't have to go anywhere. Unlike a standard OpenClaw setup, you don't have to create any external account for OpenAI or Anthropic for API keys or handling any configuration. It is all built in. You just have to purchase credits from Hostinger dashboards and you are all set. And if credits runs out, you just have to buy them or top up them from the dashboard again. That's all. It is that simple, and your assistant is up and running in no time. Now the second question which everyone will have, because when this OpenClaw went viral, there were a lot of concerns about security, privacy of data. Your data is completely and absolutely secured and private, because at Hostinger's OpenClaw instance, everything runs in an isolated environment, which means your conversations, your data remains private and isolated and secured. Hostinger Hostingr locks down each container to prevent unauthorized access or any external changes, and every instance comes with a custom high complexity security gateway generated by default. You get professional grade production without having anything to configure yourself. And this was just one use case. You can build coding assistants with it, or maybe some creative tool that can be highlighted on your resume. See, OpenClaw went very viral on the internet, and if anybody will see that in your resume, that will going to get some attention. So make sure to use this complete tutorial to build a project that can be added in your resume, which will help you to switch a job, or if you're looking for your first job, then it will get you attention there as well. Make sure to post about this project on LinkedIn so that I can see and I can share my views and feedback to it. This was it from this video. Now go to the description, use the URL and my coupon code to get started with OpenClaw integration on Hostingr and build your first AI project that will help you land in your job opportunity. If you have any further doubts, comment down below or suggest any new topics for our upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching till then. Bye bye. Take care.